Are you always watching videos online? I think you were like me. I also spend a lot of time watching videos online, just like what you're doing right now. Have you ever wondered if you could earn money by watching videos online? Well, if you ask me this question, my answer is yes. You can actually make money by simply watching online videos. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can do it. And the good news is if you watch this video until the end, I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. And the good thing is you don't need to invest any money. This is beginner friendly. You don't need any social media followers, you don't need to sell any product, and you don't need any fancy gadgets. You need only two things. The first thing you'll need is a smartphone, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys have a smartphone. In fact, most of you guys might even be watching from one right now. Today's methods will work on both Android and iOS. So it does not matter what mobile device you are using. The second requirement is an internet connection. You are watching this video, so I'm sure you have access to the internet. You'll only need these two simple things, and you can start earning by watching videos on the internet. But before we start, welcome to my channel, where I teach you the latest making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below on what country you are in right now, so that I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. To make money watching videos, you need to go over to YouTube and find a trendy game. On the left side of the homepage, there is an Explore button. Click on it. When you do that, YouTube will show you the best performing videos, whether it is related to music, sports, gaming, or news. I'd like you to get to this page by clicking on the gaming category. Millions of people are watching these videos on YouTube, but they have no idea how to make a lot of money. Anyway, I'd like you to click on the Minecraft game because it is now one of the most popular and trending games. As you can see, the number of viewers is steadily increasing. Many people like to watch these kinds of gaming videos, and you should take advantage of this. When you click on Minecraft, you'll be sent to a page to see some unique videos on Minecraft. Take a look at all of the live streaming videos that are currently available, and then click on any of them. If I click on this one, it will take me to a page where they are streaming live gameplay, and many people are watching. Now click on this share button and copy the URL link of this video. Now go to this website called ShrinkMe. You may be wondering what ShrinkMe is and how it works. This is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. You can start making money with ShrinkMe from today. It's only 3 steps. Create an account, create a link, and post it. For every visit, you will earn money. If you put any video link into this website, they will take the link, switch it around, and give you a new link that you can share on the internet. When people click on that link, it will display an ad. After a few seconds, they will go to the video. In this way, this website will generate their money from the ad, giving you a portion of that revenue. And there are thousands of people doing this. Now you may be wondering how much you can make. Let me show you some payment proof. Once you click on this button, you will land on this page. Here you will see recent payment proofs. And the cool thing is when you sign up for this website, you will get a free $1 sign-up bonus. The minimum payout is only $5. Their payment frequency is daily, so you can get paid every single day. Their payment methods are vast, so that you're not restricted to PayPal. This works everywhere in the world. This website is worldwide available. Now click on the register button right here. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Now enter your username and email password, then re-enter the password, verify this CAPTCHA, click on this terms and condition box, then click on this register button to register with this website. Once you register with the website, you will get full access. When you log into your account, it will look something like this, and of course, you will get $1 as a sign-up bonus. You can see there are also a lot of different tools and management type features over here on the left. Now click on here where it says Settings. Before you do this, I want to remind you to fill out your billing address and all this information here. Most importantly, make sure to choose your withdrawal method. Otherwise, you will not be able to withdraw your money. If you're in the United States or Europe, you can go with PayPal. But if it's not available in your area, you can simply choose a different withdrawal method from here. If you have watched this video until now and enjoyed watching it, let us know by clicking the like button. Now you can click right here where it says your URL here and paste your link. After this, you must click on this little arrow. As soon as I click on submit, ShrinkMe provides me with an alternative URL to share with people. Now you need the traffic to earn money, so go over it on Google. I'm using Minecraft as my choice for this particular strategy. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in the Minecraft forum. Now click on this first link that will take you right over here. This is an online community forum. There are a lot of people that come here. What you can do is you can participate in this forum. Again, this is an online community forum. So you can make a profile, you can engage with other users, and you can also post links. This is the main thing about this, because this is going to be a part of the strategy, but you wouldn't want to spam the forum or anything like that. You're really trying to engage and talk about anything that has to do with the Minecraft game. Post different Minecraft pictures or videos and occasionally post your shortened link. When someone clicks on that link, watch that video. You will get paid. This can happen while you sleep. And you can keep doing this over and over. Every time someone goes through that funnel process, you get paid every time that happens. And that's the beauty of this. And you can do this as many times as you want. There are no restrictions on how many times people can click on your link or how many times people can watch your videos. It's unlimited. And that's why so many people are making too much money using this method. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. Our first bonus website is called swagbucks.com. This is the web's most popular loyalty and consumer rewards program. Swagbucks has a section on its website and a number of mobile apps that are dedicated to rewarding users for watching video playlists and reviewing the content of various websites. You can consistently make about $5 per day watching videos on Swagbucks if you're committed. There's a range of exciting video categories. They include entertainment, food, home and garden, health, tech, and travel. So if you want to make money while watching cool videos, explore the Swagbucks Watch channel. Download the Swagbucks Watch mobile apps to make money while watching videos on the go. Our next bonus website is called superpay.me. This is a trusted website where you can get paid for your successful participation in paid surveys, offers, playing games, trials, watching videos, and more. Since 2012, they have sent out over $5 million in payments and rewards to their members. You can check out their feedback on Trustpilot. This website is available worldwide. There are thousands of people who have made real money with superpay.me. Almost half of their payments are sent instantly. And the cool thing is that you need to earn at least $1 at superpay.me, and then you can request payment via PayPal. But other payment methods require a $5 minimum, which is very low. They send payments via PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and gift cards. All you have to do is click on this Join Today button and fill up this form correctly, and you are good to go. Our next website is called Arazu.com. This is the web's most popular rewards program. They give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. When you earn 3,000 Arazu points, you can exchange them for your first reward. They release rewards weekly. All you have to do is click on this Join button right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Simply enter your simple information and start making money by watching videos. Our next bonus website is called inbixdollars.com. This is a pretty well-known website, and many people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos. You can make $5 when you sign up with this website as a sign-up bonus. All you have to do is enter your email address and password, re-enter it, and click on this Sign Me Up button right here. Once you reach only $10, you can withdraw your money, and you can do it simply by watching videos. That's it for today's video. If you want to know more ways of making money online, check out my other videos.